Hi everyone, what is going on? My name is Jeremy Palmer and welcome to another episode with the Binary Destroyer 7.0. Now, if you're wondering why I'm not in a BD hoodie and in a t-shirt, and that's because we are having a heat wave in the UK. It's about 20 degrees, which is quite hot for a April time in England. Now, obviously we are in isolation, so we can't really do a lot, but thankfully I have a garden that I can sit in and relax. I know there's a lot of people that don't have gardens, obviously have apartments and flats, and I can only feel sorry for you. And hopefully, fingers crossed, this all gets sorted out soon. Now, this is going to be the quickest trading session today. Okay, I thought I'd start off at the beginning and just go over every single currency pair, if I like it, if I don't like it, and we can kind of I can show you how I filter out my currency pairs that I'm going to be trading for today. Now, quickly, I've got AUD USD, okay. Don't quite like that. It's not in the sell zone, so I'm not going to look at that. USD CAD, what's USD CAD saying? Again, USD CAD's on a downtrend. Well, I ain't got no arrows on USD CAD. Let me just load up. I'm trading the AND strategy because that's what I've been doing all in quarantine. Okay, we had this nice little diversions. Look at that, little diversions with the trend. That is a really good setup there. USD JPY, let's have a quick look on there. USD JPY is just chopping around, going sideways. Not interested in that. GPUSD, okay, I quite like GPUSD. Look at that diversions again coming outside of the zone. That might be good for a sell any minute. So I'm going to eye up GPUSD. That's one. EURUSD. In fact, EURUSD. I'm going to buy EURUSD, and I'll explain to you why I'm buying EURUSD. Take profit 5 pips. Buy now. Okay, I'm going to take 2. Now, there's a reason why I'm going to move this over there so you can actually see. Okay, now there's a reason why I bought EURUSD. Okay, it's kind of a quick in and out trading. But notice this diversion signal here. Okay, you can see that the bands are facing up. Okay, so technically this is diversions with the trend. I don't know if you can say that. Because obviously diversions works when momentum is slowing down. Okay, but looking at the zones, everything's facing up. We had a diversion signal and we would have easily got 5 pips out of this trade. Now, what I like about this is prices come back down to this level, and look at the RSI. In fact, the RSI hasn't come back down to this level. It's gone higher. If I just show you here, okay. See this? Look at the price come back down to the same level, but look at the RSI, it's gone higher. So hence why I've gone for a quick 5-minute buy, 5 pip buy on there. And we're kind of floating around at the minute. Come on. I want to kind of do as quickly as I can with this trading. Let's have a quick look on gold. What's happening on gold? Again, gold's going sideways. I'm not interested in that. GP CAD, what's happening on here? Why have I got no arrows? So let me just load up this and load up the arrows. Okay, looks like, look at this divergence here. Okay, it looks like on GP CAD, look at that beautiful buy there. Look at that. What's this trade saying? Not a lot. GP CAD looks like we're at a resistance area. If I just draw this area, okay, can you see this? This area of support, a bounce, a bounce, a bounce, a bounce. If I just bring it up here, look at this, right? You got a bounce here, a bounce here, a bounce here. Now that would be a good possibility to buy, but I'm not going to just yet. I want to see what Euro USD is doing. And my final currency pair is USD Chef. USD Chef might be a good sell as well, because if I'm buying Euro USD, okay, which is just about to hit, I need to be selling USD Chef at the same time. Okay, a bit of coloration in pairs there. So let's USD Chef. Let's sell it 5 pips. Okay, some of these trades are going to hit take profit. Okay, here we go. Come on, come on. 4.4 pips. Nice, 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 nice. So there we go. Quick in and out, and I am up. If I just have a look at today's trading, today's trading is today. Okay. I am up £68 for today. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that. Let's just go back to Euro USD and see what it says. Okay, notice how it's coming back up again. Okay, this is a really kind of in and out. This is how I used to trade binary. In fact, this is how I used to trade binary before I had the binary destroyer. This kind of diversions, double top, double bottom pattern, going for like a 10-15 minute expiry. These are really good for quick in and out scalps, 5 pips. And USD Chef, because USD Chef and Euro USD work in opposites. When Euro USD goes up, USD Chef goes down. Okay, Euro USD Chef should be coming down now. Here we go, here we go. So this is going to hopefully fall down. Like I said, we've got a nice little diversions here with the trend. So fingers crossed these come in, and that will be my trading session done in 10 minutes. Let's just see what happens. You see prices, I might have bought this at the wrong time, but again, look at this kind of, wait, this 1.7, come on. What I'll do, everyone, is I'll pause the video and I'll be back in 5 minutes time when I get an update on this. I think this might hover around for a bit. We see, here we go. So we are pushing. Here we go, 2.5, come on. We are closing below, here's an interesting point. We're closing below that TCA line, which is good, okay? I just want to see we actually close below it. I mean, We've got 50 seconds to go before the end of this 5 minute candle. So hopefully we stay below the TCA line. I might actually close this position off early. Done. That's me finished for today. I've just done £75 and I've wrapped up my trading session in 7 minutes. Okay, so that's me done. That's my trading session done in 8 minutes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, like I said, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.